Hello, AP Biology students. Welcome to your instructions for October 15th, 2021. There's not a lot to do. Keep finishing up your enzyme lab. I'll post like 4 things to work on over break. I know, 4 things. You'll be fine. It's your reading guide, some multiple choice questions, a pivot on cellular respiration, and then finish your enzyme lab. Yes, I know I haven't done your diffusion and osmosis labs yet. I will get there. Last but not least, all I have to say is have a wonderful break. Enjoy your weekend. Don't work too hard, but work a little bit on AP Biology. I have a few guests who would like to say have a great week too.
Bye. Enjoy your week.
Have the most awesome week ever.
I just thought I'd get a few more teachers in here so CHOM can rate me, I don't know, like 102 out of 5. That sounds like a good grade.
101.
101? You were in the video. All right. Don't worry about Miss Andreessen. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Enjoy your break. I will post what you're doing over break in just a little bit. Have a wonderful day. Adios. Why is this not working?